Want a viral YouTube idea in under 5 minutes? Here's how I combined ChatGPT and vidIQ to find high-potential, SEO-optimized video ideas fast. First, let's talk tools. ChatGPT is my go-to for brainstorming. It's an AI that can spit out creative video ideas in seconds. vidIQ? That's my secret weapon for checking which ideas can actually get views by showing SEO scores, search volume, and competition. Let's jump in. Step 1. I open ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Give me 10 viral video ideas for a faceless tech channel." Instantly, I get a list of solid topics. Think top 5 free AI tools or hidden features in iOS 18. Step 2. I copy the best idea and paste it right into vidIQ's keyword tool. Now I can see if people are searching for it and if I have a real shot at ranking. Look for high search volume and low competition. When I see green lights, I know I've struck gold. Finally, I use vidIQ's AI title generator to punch up my headline for higher click-throughs. A tweak here, power word there, and my idea is ready to go. This combo, it's my shortcut for data-driven content ideas that actually get noticed. Try it yourself and subscribe for more smart creator tools.